Greetings friends, today we're exploring the Bitget cryptocurrency exchange, one of the best platforms for derivative trading according to CoinMarketCap. This exchange is perfect for both beginners and seasoned traders thanks to its intuitive interface and extensive features. What we'll cover: registration and verification process, funding your account and starting to trade including spot and futures trading, earning opportunities through copy trading, trading bots and launch pools, information about the BGB token and staking for passive income. With our partner link in the description, you have a chance to receive enhanced bonuses when registering on Bitget, up to $8,000. To activate the bonuses, simply register using our link, providing your email and password, and enter the promo code. Bitget is a leading platform for cryptocurrency trading, ranking in the top 5 for derivative trading volumes according to CoinMarketCap. One of its key advantages is that KYC verification is optional, allowing you to start trading quickly without unnecessary hassle. However, note that without verification, there are limits on trading volumes and withdrawals. Bitget provides everything needed for earning, from spot and futures trading to margin trading with leverage, copy trading, trading bots, as well as launch pads and launch pools for investing in new projects. The exchange has its own token, BGB, which has more than doubled in value over the past year, offering additional bonuses like fee discounts. The platform is available 24/7 and offers an intuitive interface. To start earning on Bitget, the first step is registration. The process is so simple that even a beginner can complete it in a couple of minutes. Click on our partner link in the description to receive bonuses up to $10,000. You'll be taken to the official Bitget website where you need to click the register button, enter your email and create a strong password in the form that opens. Then you'll receive an email with a confirmation code. Enter it in the appropriate field on the website to activate your account. That's it, registration is complete. Now you're ready to take advantage of all the features of the Bitget platform for successful trading and investments. After registering on Bitget, you can start using the exchange without KYC verification. However, to access the full functionality, including increased withdrawal limits, it's recommended to complete verification. Without verification, withdrawal limit is 20,000 USDT per day. With verification, limit increases to 3 million USDT and you gain access to promotions and launch pools. To complete verification, go to your personal account and find the KYC section in your profile settings. You'll need to upload an identity document such as a passport or driver's license. Then take a selfie according to the system prompts and submit the data for review. Confirmation usually takes about 20 minutes, after which your account will be verified. Imagine having a personal analyst who never sleeps, doesn't get distracted, and monitors the market 24/7. They study charts, news, and the behavior of major players, reacting instantly to changes. We've created such an AI assistant, and it's available only for those who register on Bitget using our partner link. Want to receive signals, analysis, and trading ideas first? Join our Telegram channel, where the most important information is delivered without fluff and noise. And by the way, right now, you're interacting with that very AI avatar. Yes, this isn't just a video. It's a smart digital assistant that can already talk, analyze, and engage. How's that for a level of sophistication? To start trading on Bitget, you need to fund your account. Go to the wallet section on Bitget's homepage and select Deposit. Ways to deposit. First, cryptocurrency. Choose the coin to deposit, such as USDT. Select the TRC20 Tron network. Bitget will provide your wallet address. Click Copy. In your external wallet or on another exchange, choose Withdraw. Paste the copied address, select the TRC20 network, enter the amount, and confirm the transfer. Wait for the transaction confirmation on the blockchain, usually a few minutes, and check your balance in wallet. Second, P2P trading. Go to the P2P section. Indicate that you want to buy USDT, select your local currency and bank. Enter the amount. The system will show available sellers with their stats, number of trades, and success rate. Choose a seller with a high success rate and click Buy. Transfer the money using your banking app according to the provided details. After payment, click I have paid, and within a few minutes, USDT will be credited to your P2P account. Online exchange service. Follow the link to BestChange. Use a VPN if it's unavailable in your country. It's an aggregator of verified online exchanges. On the left, choose what you want to pay with, for example, local currency. On the right, what you want to receive, for example, USDT, TRC20. Select an exchanger, considering the rate, reserves, and reviews. On the exchanger's site, fill in how much USDT you want to receive, provide your wallet address, and contact details. The site will provide payment details. Transfer the money. Exchange usually takes from 5 to 30 minutes. After completion, the crypto will appear in your balance under Wallet. To withdraw funds from Bitget, follow these steps. Go to Wallet. Withdraw. Choose the coin you want to withdraw, for example, USDT, and select the TRC20 network. Enter the wallet address where you want to send the funds. The system will show the network fee. For TRC20, it's usually $1. Confirm the operation by entering the code received in your email. Wait for the transaction to process. This usually only takes a few minutes. Additionally, you can withdraw funds via P2P or use an online exchange service. The procedure is similar to depositing but performed in reverse. Before we dive into the world of trading, let's show some support. Like this video, leave any comment, even just an emoji, and make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new episodes. Ready? Great, you're awesome. Now we can move on. Exciting things ahead. Now that your Bitget account is funded, you can start trading. The platform offers two main types of trading: spot and futures. Spot trading is the simplest way to exchange cryptocurrency, where you swap one coin for another at the current market price or a price you set. Ensure there are funds in your spot account. If they are in another account, like P2P or futures, transfer them via wallet transfer. Selecting the spot account, go to Trade Spot. Choose a trading pair such as BTC USDT to buy or sell Bitcoin for USDT. In the center of the screen, you'll see the price chart of the selected pair. On the right is the buy-sell form and below is the order book with other traders' orders. Choose your order type. Market order. Buy or sell at the current market price. This is the fastest way as the trade executes instantly. Limit order. You set the price at which you want to buy or sell and wait for the market to reach that price. After purchasing, check the result in Wallet, Spot. You'll see that your USDT balance has decreased and Bitcoin is now in your account. To sell Bitcoin, go back to Trade. Spot, select BTC USDT, click Sell, choose Market, enter the amount and confirm. Futures trading involves contracts tied to the price of cryptocurrency. You don't receive the coins but can earn from price changes. Futures allow for high leverage up to 125. How to trade futures. Transfer funds to your futures account, USDTM, via wallet, transfer. Go to Trade, Futures, and select a pair, such as BTC USDT, choose margin type. Isolated margin, you risk only the amount of the trade. Cross margin, you risk the entire balance of the futures account. Beginners should start with isolated margin. Set the leverage, for example, 10x. The higher the leverage, the greater the potential profit and risk. Choose direction. Long, bet on the price going up. Short, bet on the price going down. Choose order type. Market, trade at the current price. Limit, set your desired price and wait for the market to reach it. Important to remember, with isolated margin, you risk only the invested amount. If the market goes against you and the price nears the liquidation zone, the position might be closed unless funds are added. With cross margin, the system will automatically use funds from the overall balance to maintain the position, which can lead to a total loss of the balance if the market moves unfavorably. After opening a trade, you can set a stop loss to limit losses and take profit, the level at which the trade will close with a profit. Futures are contracts, not real coins, so they can't be transferred to a wallet. High leverage, like 10x or 125x, can bring significant profit or loss. Beginners should start with leverage of 5x, 10x. Bitget offers numerous earning opportunities suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. The platform provides copy trading, trading bots, launchpads, launch pools, candy bomb, PoolX, pre-market, and staking through the earn section. Copy trading allows you to earn by replicating the trades of experienced traders, eliminating the need for independent market analysis. You select the trader to copy, allocate funds for trading, and the platform automatically mirrors their actions on your account. The trader receives a commission of 10% from your profits. How to set up copy trading. Go to the copy trading section on Bitget's homepage. You'll see two options, spot and futures. Explore the list of traders. Each has statistics, ROI, return on investment, P&L, profit, loss, number of followers, experience, for example, 346 days, and the percentage of successful trades. Choose traders with high performance. Use the Hide Full filter to see traders with available spots. Select a trader by reviewing their profile and statistics. Click Follow. Specify the amount and ensure funds are in the correct account. Transfer funds via wallet by selecting Transfer and indicating Copy Trading. Set parameters. Choose trading pairs, set stop loss, and take profit. Enable auto preview to copy trades on new pairs from the trader. Confirm settings in the My Traders section. Trading bots automatically buy and sell cryptocurrency based on a set strategy. They follow an algorithm buying low and selling high within a specified price range. Bitget offers bots for spot trading such as martingale or auto investing. Setting up a trading bot. Go to the trading bots section in the Trade Spot menu. Choose a strategy such as one where the bot divides funds and trades within a given price range. Select a trading pair. Set parameters. Specify the price range, the number of grids, and the investment amount. Confirm the creation of the bot. Monitor its performance in the Strategies section. Launchpads and launch pools. These tools allow you to invest in new crypto projects at early stages, obtaining tokens at a low price. Launchpad. Invest USDT or other coins in a new project and receive tokens at the starting price. Tokens often increase in value after listing. Go to the Launchpad section on Bitget. Select a project, specify the amount, and confirm participation. After listing, tokens will be credited to your spot account. Launch pool. Lock USDT, BTC, or BGB tokens on the exchange and receive new tokens as yield. Choose a project. Specify the staking amount and duration. New tokens are credited automatically. Check your balance in wallet. Spot after the event concludes. Candy Bomb and PoolX. These promotions allow you to earn tokens. Candy Bomb. Receive tokens for free by completing tasks such as registration, trading, or inviting friends, similar to an airdrop. Complete tasks to have tokens credited to your spot account. PoolX. Stake coins and earn yield in tokens, similar to a launch pool. Choose a coin, specify the amount, and staking duration. Yield is credited automatically. Pre-market allows you to trade tokens not yet released on the spot market. Go to the pre-market section on Bitget. Select a token and trade it using market or limit orders. After listing, tokens become available on the spot market for sale or transfer. The BGB token offers commission discounts and allows participation in various promotions. Purchase BGB on the spot market by selecting the BGB USDT pair. Use it to pay for commissions and participate in launch pools or PoolX. Store the token in your spot account for convenient use and accumulation. The Earn section offers a chance to earn passive income by locking cryptocurrency and receiving interest. Types of staking. Flexible staking. Lock coins like USDT with a 10% annual yield with the option to withdraw at any time. Fixed staking, lock coins for a set period, for example 30 days, for higher returns. How to set up staking. Go to the Earn section on Bitget's homepage. Choose the USDT coin and type of staking, flexible or fixed. Specify the amount you want to invest and confirm your decision. Yield will accrue automatically. To check your balance, go to Wallet. These tools not only help save on commissions, but also allow you to earn on your crypto assets, providing flexibility and choice between different investment types. If you've watched this video and haven't hit the like button yet, go ahead, don't be shy. Support the channel with one click and let's grow together. Bitget support and educational resources. Bitget provides user support through standard channels like online chat on the website and a contact form in your account. If you have questions about trading, funding your account, or setting up bots, you can contact support through the help section on the homepage. The exchange also actively educates users about the platform through tutorial videos on its YouTube channel. These videos cover key features such as setting up copy trading, launching trading bots, using P2P trading, and futures trading. For example, you can find videos explaining how to choose a trader for copy trading, or how to set up a martingale bot for the ETH USDT pair. To access, visit Bitget's YouTube channel through the link in the help section or search for it yourself. Affiliate program. Bitget's affiliate program allows you to invite new users to the platform. Register through the partner link in the description to activate this opportunity. After registering, you will receive your referral link, which you can send to friends or followers. When someone registers through your link and starts trading, you earn bonuses based on their activity. To activate the affiliate program, log into your account, find the referral program section, and copy your unique link. Share it on social networks and messengers. Bitget offers a mobile app that allows you to trade, manage accounts, and use all exchange features directly from your smartphone. It is available for iOS and Android devices and supports both night and day modes for comfortable use at any time of day. Download the Bitget app from the App Store for iOS or Google Play for Android. Install it and log in using the email and password you registered with on the website. Once logged in, you'll land on the main screen with sections: Trade for spot and futures trading, Wallet for deposits and withdrawals, Copy trading for mirroring trades, Trading bots for automation, and Launchpad for participating in new projects. These tools and resources allow users to effectively leverage the Bitget platform and maximize its benefits. Now that you easily manage Bitget from your phone, it's time to wrap up. Write in the comments what impressed you the most: the ease of the interface, trading tools, copy trading, or analytics. If the material was truly helpful and clear, support the video with a like. It will help the channel grow. Subscribe to our Telegram channel, where an AI assistant shares signals, analyzes large players' movements, and provides daily market reviews. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.